Hello everyone, I am Nilesh Avare and today I am going to talking about ICSR, what is meaning of ICSR, how they generate ICSR and sources of ICSR, Argus Safety Database and the different tabs which are included in the Argus Safety Database. So I am telling about one by one. So first of all, ICSR means Individual Case Safety Report. The ICSR is important document that include the information regarding which are required to report the adverse event of the particular drug, and also it include the patient complaints regarding that suspect product. Means ICSR means Individual Case Safety Report. And next, the how the patient or anyone can report the adverse event to the particular company or the PV center. The anyone can report the adverse event by call, fax, and electronic mail to the company or the PV center. And there are a main two types of reports. The first is unsolicited and second is solicited. So first is unsolicited. The unsolicited means it is a non-spontaneous and unorganized data collection system. These reports are generated from unorganized collection data system. That means anyone can report the adverse drug event. That means healthcare professional, patient itself, and patient relative also can report the adverse event of that particular drug. That means it is a non-spontaneous and unsolicited report. And second is a solicited. Solicited means it is a organized collection database system. Means if the adverse drug event are occur during the clinical trials, then this clinical trials adverse event can be reported by investigator to the PV center. That means it is a solicited report. Means it is a organized collection database like system. So it's all about the unsolicited and solicited report. So next is the forms are by which forms the adverse drug event are reported by particular country to the particular regulatory authority. So first is a US, that is the United States of America. For the United States of America, there is a MADOC form. By this form, anyone can report the adverse drug event of the drug to the PV center or regulatory authority. And then for UK, that means United Kingdom or London or England. For the London, the yellow card scheme, that report are by this report the UK people report the adverse event of the particular drug to the PV center of that particular country. And there is a one form. By this form, anyone and anywhere can report the adverse event through this form. The form name is SIOMS form. By this SIOMS form, anyone and anywhere can report the adverse event of the drug to the regulatory authority. So it's all about the different form which are used to report the adverse event of the particular drug. So next is a Argus Safety Database system. How the case process and how the adverse event of particular drug which are reported to the regulatory authority. So in that first is a triage. Triage means what done in the triage. It means if the case which are generated or sent by the call center guy, that means which are appointed as a medical call center guy, which they return the information which are sent by or which are told by the patient regarding the adverse event of the particular drug. They note down the all information. For example, they note down the patient details, drug details, and the event of the at least one event of this the drug. and then this all information, the call center guys send this all information to the triage person, and the triage person are responsible to check the case is valid or not, means the case is fully fulfilled with the 4 criteria. That means suspect product, identifiable patient, identifiable report or source, and last is at least one event are present in that report or not. If they fulfill all these 4 criteria, that means the case is valid. And then also triage person also done the duplicate search of that particular event. Duplicate search means if the patient also report the adverse event of same drug, and also the same adverse event which are reported by SCP or the doctor to the PV center, then these two events are same, and then because of that the triage person do the duplicate search. And also they check they validate the case is serious or not. All these things are done by the triage person. And then next is the case processing. In case processing, this all about the case processing. And then next is a patient tab. In patient tab, next is a general tab. In general tab, there are they check there are a case initial receipt date, means when the case is submitted, and the day 0 of the case are included in the patient general tab. And also follow up are also included in the general tab. Follow up means, what is the follow up means if there are some information is missing, then the person which are appointed in the general tab, they contact to the person or the patient and give the information which are missing in that report, means follow up. And follow up are done within the 24 hours. If the person is not responded for this, then also follow up is done by 40 follow up is done also follow up done within the 14 days. If also patient not responded, then also follow up done within 19 days. In this type the follow up is done. The next tab is a patient tab. The patient tab, what information which are included in patient tab, that is all information regarding patient. That means patient name, initial, age, address, weight, blood group, all the information regarding patient. And also include the patient history, means the patient which medicine patient taken past, or if the patient is allergic to the penicillin, etc. Information are included in the patient tab. And next tab is a product tab. In product tab, there are information regarding the product. That means for example the name of product, manufacturing date of product, expiry of product, and also include the concomitant medicine in the product tab, means which concomitant medicine are taken or taking the patient. And next tab is event tab, means it is an important tab. In event tab there are there is the event which are experienced by the patient are included. For example, if the patient included vomiting, diarrhea, headache, rashes, acidity, this all type of event are included in this event tab. And next is the activity tab. Next is the analysis tab. Analysis tab means narrative writing, means brief summary of this all report are write in a short in the narrative writing, and this narrative writing are included in the analysis tab. And next is the activity tab. Activity tab is the most important, because all tab are seen in the activity tab. And if there are changes, if I feel that I have make in the changes in patient tab, by using activity tab we can done the changes in this patient tab. And next is additional tab. means if the additional information required, this additional information are include or written in this additional tab. And last is a regulatory submission. If all these information are correct, then this information sent to the correct, then regulatory then case is submitted to the regulatory. And next is how the Argus databases work. Means there is a case processing, next is a medical review, and next is a quality review, medical review, and case submission. So I will talk about this. So first is a case processing. How the case processing was done. It means case processing include the triaging of the case. Means triager person check the case is valid or not, and then if the case is valid, then it is sent to the quality review. Quality review means the person which are appointed as a quality review, they check the information which are submitted, which are against the source document. The all information are checked, and also check the narrative writing which are submitted by case processor. They check if check all parameter that are included in this report are valid or not, or correct or not. If the all parameter and all information correct, then the quality review guy send this all information to the medical review. The medical review is the most important, because if medical review make mistake, then case was dismiss or cancel. And there is a most talented, experienced, and most educated person are appointed as a medical review, because they confirm the case is serious or not on the basis of his knowledge. And also they check the MEDRA coding. The MEDRA coding are correct or not, also they check. And also all this information are done checking by this medical reviewer person. And if medical review are done, then the case is forwarded to the regulatory submission. But nowadays, after medical review, there is again case is submitted to the quality review, and they check also they check also the case is serious or not. If this case and also they validate the all parameter, and if the all parameter are correct, then case is submitted to the regulatory submission. In this way, today we will discuss about the all information regarding ICS, what is meant by ICSR, which parameter are included in the ICSR, then reports, different type of reports, solicited, unsolicited, how the Argus database system work. This all type of this information today we will discuss. Thank you for watching this video.